Hello everyone, my name is Samyak Gulsha. I am from EC First Sem and we are trying to perform a short skit with the title Chaos to Cosmos. And in this skit, I am playing a character of a gaming nerd who is totally mad about gaming and just loves to game all day.
Hello everyone, my name is Sasank Sonkar from EC First Sem and my roll number is 86, and in this skit I am playing the role of the person who is stubborn one and quarreling.
Hey everyone, myself Raghav Kumar Sharma and I am from EC First Sem, roll number 72. And in this skit, I am playing the role of the one who is most organized and tries to organize others too.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrityunjay Jaiswal. I am from EC First Sem. My roll number is 55 and among the skit I am playing the character who is the most smartest and the quarreling one among them.
Hello everyone, my name is Rachit Saxena from EC First Sem. My roll number is 71. In this skit, my character is full of ideas and it's reducing his focus.
Guys, we have one day left for our presentation on the topic the impact of technology on communication. So let's focus.
1 second, just one more level. I am almost top 10 globally.
Bro, even my attendance percentage is higher than your.
Who says this? Once a wise man said, boards don't advise legends how to play.
And that wise man is you?
Yes, sure as hell I am.
We are finished. Pack your bags. Engineering was a mistake.
Relax guys, I've got a great idea for this presentation. It will redefine PowerPoint.
Last time your vision involved singing Kesariya on title slide.
Art must flow, bro.
You know this isn't Indian Idol.
Can we please do some actual work?
Says the guy who spent the last 30 minutes on the neon green font.
Neon green is a crime, MJ.
Who ate all the chips?
That would be me.
Every semester, every group, same trauma.
A few moments later.
Okay, assignments are done by me. Rachit, what about slides?
I'm working on them.
Shashank and Mrityunjay, what about history part?
Done.
Okay. Samyak, what about stats?
Oh, stats. Kill rate, gun attributes, got it.
No, those are not the stats.
Okay, for slide design, I'm thinking really big fonts, a dramatic intro, good music, and maybe even fireworks.
What do you think? We are here for a group project or a Marvel movie?
The teacher will destroy us.
That's really generous of the teacher.
Do you want 1v1?
Say the time and place.
No, bro.
Enough! We can fight after the project. Teachers deserve bravery awards.
The next day.
Anyone need help with this data charts?
Yes, bro. Just keep them simple. No fancy colors.
Can anyone check if my part connects smoothly to yours?
Yeah, wait. Here, change this line, then flow works.
Okay, I'll do.
Raghav, check this out. Minimal spacing, no music.
Damn, this is actually good.
Guys, I think we are becoming a really good team. Finally, after some
Plot
time.
twist of the year.
Teamwork OP.
Let's have a group hug, guys.
No!
No.
No.
What happened, bro?
No.
No.
It's just a group hug.
No, bro.
Shashank, your points about early communication tech really seems to be very nice. It's way better than the last semester we did it.
Thank you. I humbly accept this rare compliment. And hey, bit about social media evolution, concise, no chaos. If I am impressed.
This, I have found proper statistics from NASCOM. Actual statistics, verified, real. Not just like you say, I found game statistics only. Okay?
That's really a miracle in the group tonight, you know.
Perfect, guys. Upload them to the doc. Let's lock in before the Wi-Fi dies again.
Guys, look at this. Slide formatting all synced. Headlines, footer are all matching. Transitions are also looking good.
I'm scared, Rachit. Are you really the same person that used to be with us? You are really changed for real.
This is it, his character arc. Achieved, final from unlocked.
Guys, it was just a theme button.
Shh. Let's have that moment.
I am genuinely proud of all of you. No chaos at all, no blaming to the Wi-Fi's, and the pure teamwork. Great guys.
To the progress and to the group functioning properly.
Yeah, everyone. Cheers.
And to really not putting an all-nighter also.
Great.
Tonight.
To proving we can actually work together.
Finally, this curse end.
We are progress!
Who's knocking now? Bro, what's your problem?
Rachit, we are in trouble. The group project, it's nowhere near done. The presentation is tomorrow morning.
Why are you overreacting? Why are you acting like it's the end of the world?
Rachit, half of the research isn't tied. The slides are incomplete and the conclusion is missing. Everyone thinks you are doing the literature review. Where is it?
I'll do it.
Because the whole group is depending on us, we divided the work last week. You said you would finish it by today.
I'll do it later. I'm watching something right now. Chill.
What's this word later? What do you mean by later? We have to finish by today only. Otherwise, our group will be marked down.
Fine, I'm doing it.
It's not just a project. We have worked on it for weeks. People trusted you. I trusted you.
Fine, I'm doing it right now.
I just want to finish this properly.
Bro, you know, we really destroyed the presentation today.
No fights, no panic. New character unlocked.
And I didn't even open game for once today. You know, that's progress.
And I didn't even add a single unnecessary animation.
Oh bro, wait, you will do it tomorrow itself with the next presentation.
Honestly, this happened because we trusted each other. That's the only reason.
You know, I even realized that Shashank wasn't arguing for fun or like to tease me. He was arguing for like the betterment of the group or making the project good.
And Mrityunjay's idea slaps when he is not stressed.
You know, teamwork is always better than the solo work, guys.
So everyone, another group project together?
Sure, as long as chaos stays only in the first half of the movie.
To the trust,
Teamwork,
and unity.
And unity.
And so this is how you all guys saw the chaos which we had on the day one of the presentation. The idea when we were just starting to make something happen for this presentation literally turned the tables and made itself result into the cosmos that we could not believe. We killed it at the day of the presentation. And how this chaos actually turned into a cosmos. I would like to thank you all for watching this video so far, and I would like to mention a special thanks to all the people that led this video's creation possible.